At Planet Rentals, we have a sound system for really any type of event. This video is going to go over our block rocker sound system. And this sound system is great for sound at a remote location or maybe somewhere where you don't have power, because it does have a built-in battery that lasts up to 75 hours. It also has some other great features like a built-in AM/FM stereo, and it can also connect to your phone or device via Bluetooth. Now we provide a set of chords for the sound system. We probably don't have every chord for every situation, but we do supply kind of what the system would call for in most circumstances. Now all of our sound systems include one corded microphone. So this one also has a corded microphone that plugs right here into the microphone spot. And then the microphone also has an on and off switch on the front of it. We also include an auxiliary cable with this system. This is perfect for connecting laptops, phones, or tablets. It plugs in here right above the microphone spot on the sound system, and the other end into the device. Then we also, of course, include the charging or power cable. Again, this sound system does have a built-in battery that will run up to 75 hours, but if you wanted to plug it in, it does plug in just here in the back and then into regular power. Now our sound systems are most commonly used with our inflatable movie screens and projectors. So in this tote we also include a couple of cords that you need to connect the DVD player and the projector and that sort of thing. With this one we have another power cable for the projector. We've also got this RGB cable, which is for a laptop that you can use. And then lastly an HDMI cable, which, for a DVD or Blu-ray, which we provide with our projectors, can be used to connect. On the back of the unit is the power switch, and once it's on, you've got the battery level indicator for the system, and then in this section it kind of shows you which mode you're in. So right now I'm on the AM radio, and if I push the radio button again, it's going to go off, which is actually where you'd want it if you're connecting with the auxiliary cable here above the microphone spot. So this is your auxiliary setting, and then you push it again, it goes to FM, to AM, and then again to your auxiliary setting. Now you can optionally attach your device using Bluetooth. To do that, just tap the Bluetooth button and you can see the indicator flashing here. Then you would go to your device, find the block rocker in your Bluetooth devices and connect to it. Now again, your microphone plugs here into this initial slot, and then you have a microphone volume that is separate from the master volume. So if you are using a microphone, just be aware of the two different volume settings. For every other device, you would just use the master volume that's here on the right-hand side. Lastly, this system does feature a couple USB charging ports that you can use to kind of charge up your devices while they're playing through the system as well. Now, if you are using this sound system with our movie screen setup or with our projector DVD player, then let me show you how to connect those devices. On the back of our projector will be an HDMI input. So you'll connect HDMI cable to our provided DVD Blu-ray player here in the HDMI, and then you will put the audio from the projector to the sound system. The reason being, HDMI carries video and audio, so it's going to carry the video and audio from the DVD player to the projector, and then the projector is going to kick back out the audio to the sound system. So with the provided auxiliary cord, you would just plug it here into the auxiliary port on the sound system, and your setup's done. Thanks again for choosing Planet Rentals.